so we have here us a package from Holo Taco. Let's open it up and see what we got. Super excited because I have wanted one of the Holo Taco collections for a long time. Let's see what we got. Hey, that's got my address on it. Let's take that right out of there. Poof, that's gone. Okay. What do we have here? Ooh, it's got tacos on it. On brand. Love it. We've got 3 little boxes. Let's see what is inside. Box number 1. What do we have here? Oh my goodness. In all their glory. They look beautiful. Nothing's broken. Nothing's chipped. Let's see, what do we have? We have blue Freezy. So beautiful. This one, ooh, this is green taffy. So far looking all pristine, Christine. I hate myself. This one is, ooh, this is the Solar Unicorn skin. I'm really excited to try these out. And then this is Flaky Holo Taco, one of the OGs. I had to get my hands on it. I've wanted it for a minute and a half, and now I have it. Okay, there's box number 1, box number 2. Let's see what we've got. Ooh. Oh, I think this is the yellow. Yep, this is Lemon Sucker. We've got Red Licorice. And we've got Orange Drink. Let's see, last but not least in this package is, ooh, Purple Slushy. This one, I'm just thinking might be my favorite of the whole collection, but we shall see. Okay, box number 2 down, now getting into box number 3. This one's a little lighter. Let's see. Oh, last but not least, we have Magenta Jelly. That's the pretty pink shade. I'm real excited for this collection. They all look great. They came in the package great, so I'm excited. There's the collection.